Welcome back to Learn SKN, and this video serves as a little update from a little video I did yesterday relating to CXC's decision to postpone or put back the 2022 exams and also extend the deadline for the SBAs, among other things. So this is the official statement by CXC after they would have had their meeting and also had their press conference to outline some of the findings of the meeting. And so we're going to just run through the statement quickly right here. Statement: decision of the special meeting of CXC's council on the 2022 regional examination strategy. The CXC stands in solidarity with the region and the international community as we grapple with the impact of COVID-19 and our way of life. The council recognizes that the impact of COVID-19 on the education system in general, and more specifically on the schedule of CXC regional examinations. A special meeting of the council and the governing board of CXC, which is made up of government from across the region, was held today, which was Wednesday, April 27th, 2022, following feedback from the regional ministries of education on the timing of the 2022 regional examination. And let me just say, this thing was long overdue, because the honest truth is that we heard rumblings before. Some members of the teachers unions in different countries, they were against the exams starting this early. They were saying that they should go back to where there was last year and the year before, where exams would have started later. But I guess CXC wasn't listening at that point. But now, as the exams are drawing closer, now they decided to take them up on that. Continuing, members of the council reviewed and reached consensus on recommendation from CXC's school examination committee on the strategy for the 2022 examination. After careful deliberation and consideration of all pertinent issues, council agreed that the revised strategy for the 2022 regional examination shall be as followed, and it's just similar to what I outlined yesterday. The delay of the regional exams by 3 weeks. This will provide candidates with additional time to prepare for examinations. Yes, we appreciate that. Therefore, examinations will commence on Monday, 23rd of May, 2022, with results projected to be released late August or early September. So those who sit in exams this time around, your results might reach you by late August to early September 2022, right? As it relates to the timetable, they will revise the timetable and it should be published by Wednesday, May the 4th. So the new timetable should be available by Wednesday, May 4th, 2022. And so you just log on and you go on the website and you download that timetable whenever it drops. Extension of the submission of SBAs, as I said before, has been extended by 2 weeks for all CSEC and CAPE examinations. Release of broad topics. Now, this is what we were asking for a long time ago. So this is something we always wanted. I mean, they started it. I hope they don't intend to stop it. I mean, whether COVID or not, but they started it. And I'm pretty sure now we are going to start expecting it. I mean, I don't see any reason why. Even at university level, they would tell us what topics come in, things like that. So why not at the high school level? Nothing wrong with that, right? So even in our high school where we have end of term or whatever exams, teachers would tell us what to expect, right? It's not like they're gonna give us the questions and we have to answer them. No, just give us an idea as to what might be coming. So CXC should make this a part of the overall strategy. Just release something so we don't have to dig too deep into all the themes, all the topics, and things like that, right? And of course, when the broad topics release, I'll go through them and see what relates to POB, econ, and those subjects, just like we did last year. Continuing, these adjustments to the strategy are in addition to the concessions that they already made, such as reduction in the SBA requirements by 50%. That was last year and year before. And submission of SBAs, the deadline was already extended, right? And of course, you have the option to defer. So if you feel like you're not ready for exam, you can defer into 2023. So that's totally up to you. The executive management and staff at CXC support the council decision fully as we continue to work in the best interest of the students across the region. All right, so that's the end of the their statement, their press release. So let me know what you think. Good on CXC, good decision. I personally think it's a little overdue. They should have done this a long time ago because they know that COVID was still a thing. And the reality is this, for me. COVID kind of affecting students who are sitting exams this year and next year worse than those who sat exams maybe 2020 or something like that. I tell you why. Because when COVID first hit, these are students who are in second form, third form, fourth form today. And because classes were cut short, sessions were reduced, a number of other issues, students going to school and shift system, some students are home, they were greatly impacted as it relates to content. For those in 2020, they were on the cusp of finishing. Their content, right? Because if you're in fifth form and COVID hit around maybe March, April. So they would have completed third form, fourth form, the chunk of fifth form. So they would have had content. But students who would have been in second form, third form, fourth form, they never really settled back into a normal cadence as it relates to school. Some are going to school in the afternoon, in the morning, shorter sessions, online, home. So they are the ones who really, really need the extra assistance where they can get it, such as the topics, the lesson SBAs and things like that. So I'm glad CXC came to their senses and made this decision, and because it is needed. I'm telling you, it is needed. Right, so let me know what you think. Sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Good and sexy, no, too late, whatever. Let me know what you think. You plan to defer? You ready? You ready to go? Let me know. Alright, so that's it for this video. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when Learn SKN drops another video. Alright, so stay tuned for more.